Hi children, good morning to all. Today class grade 2 computer science class. Grade 2 computer science class. See, let us recall once again the lesson taught in the last class. So okay, children, what is a computer? A computer is a machine. What is a computer? A computer is a machine. Tell me once again, what is a computer? A computer is a machine. What is the spelling for computer? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. I am going to writing on the board. Listen children. What is the spelling for computer? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Tell me once again, what is the spelling for computer? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. What is a computer? A computer is a machine. What is the spelling for computer? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. What is a machine? Say children, what is a machines? Machines are man-made thing which makes our work easier. நம்மளோட வேலைகளை மெஷின் வந்து என்னப்பா பண்ணோம், ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக பண்ணோம். சரிங்களா? What is the spelling for machine? M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. You also tell the spelling for machine. Tell the letter one by one. Okay? Tell me once again, what is the spelling for machine? M-A-C-H-I-N-E. A machine. What is the spelling for machine? M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. So okay children, next, you can use the computer anywhere. Last class I said use of computers. First one, school. Computer நம்ம எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் பயன்படுத்துவோம்? First one, school, hospital, airport, railway station, police station, hotel, shops, office. These places we are using the computer for different kinds of work. Tell me once again children, where and all we use the computers? Say uses of computers. First one, schools, hospitals, railway station, police station, shops, hotel, bank, offices. I am going to show the pictures. Listen children. See, what is this? In school. Uses of computers. First one, in school. What is this? What is this children? In school. See, what is doing? Keep record books in the library. See, teach students. Teach students. Keep fee records. Next one, make timetables. Make timetables. See, make report cards. Make report cards. See, next one, hospitals. What children, can you identify what is this picture? In hospital. In hospital. What is this picture? In shops. This in office. See, what is this? In railway station. What is this picture? Hotels. See, what is this picture? Airports. What is this picture? Airports. This picture, police station. See, bank. See children, what is this picture? Airport. What is this picture? In airport. See, in police station. See here, banks. These places we are using the computer for different purpose work. So okay children, next one, we use the computer for first one, type a document. What is this? Type a document. What he is doing? He is type something in the computer. First one, type a document. See, next one, chat with your friend. Chat with your friend. Next one, watch movies. See children, watch movies. See what he is doing? She is using the internet. She is using the internet. See what she is doing? Listen to music. Listen to music. So okay children, let us go to next one. What is the difference between a computer and human? Before the class itself I said, what is the difference between a computer and human? Say children, what is the difference between computer and human? See, what is the difference between computer and human? See, what he is human. It's a computer. So okay children, see, computer never get tired. See, computer never get tired. Computer வந்து எப்பவுமே என்ன ஆகாது, ரொம்ப சோர்ந்து போகாது. But human get tired. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ரொம்ப வேலை செஞ்சா நமக்கு ரொம்ப கலப்பாயிடும் இல்லையா? So okay, next one. See, computer work very fast. Computer work very fast. But human cannot work very fast. கம்ப்யூட்டரால் என்ன பண்ண முடியும், வேகமாக வேலைகளை செய்ய முடியும். ஆனால் ஹியூமனால் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, கம்ப்யூட்டருக்கு ஈக்குவலாக நம்மளால் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, அந்த வேலைகளை செய்ய முடியாது. See, next one, computer never make mistakes. கம்ப்யூட்டர் எப்பவுமே என்ன பண்ணாது, மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் பண்ணாது. See, but human make mistakes. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், நிறைய மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Okay, next one. See, human have feelings. Human have feelings. நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கும், feelings இருக்கும். But computer do not have feelings. But computer do not have feelings. See what is this? Human have feelings. Computer do not have feelings. ஹியூமனுக்கு என்ன இருக்கும், ஃபீலிங்ஸ் இருக்கும். பட் கம்ப்யூட்டருக்கு ஃபீலிங்ஸ் இருக்காது. See, the next one, computer cannot decide. Computer cannot decide, but human can decide. கம்ப்யூட்டரால் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, எந்த முடிவுமே எடுக்க முடியாது. பட் ஹியூமன் கேன் டிசைட். ஹியூமனால் நம்மளால் என்ன பண்ண முடியும், எந்த ஒரு முடிவுகளும் எடுக்க முடியும். See, I am going to tell another one time. What is the difference between human and computer? What is the difference between human and computer? I am going to tell another one time children. Listen carefully. What is the difference between human and computer? See, human make mistakes, but computer do not make mistakes. Computer எப்பவுமே என்ன பண்ணாது, மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் பண்ணாது. Human get tired, but computer cannot get tired. Computer எப்பவுமே என்ன ஆகாது, டயர்ட் ஆகாது. பட் human get tired. Human என்ன ஆயிருவாங்க, கொஞ்ச நேரம் ஒர்க் பண்ணாலே டயர்ட் ஆயிடுவாங்க. See next one, human make mistakes but computer cannot make mistakes. Computer work very fast but human cannot work very fast. கம்ப்யூட்டர் என்ன பண்ணும், வேகமாக வேலைகளை செய்யும். பட் மனிதர்களால் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, நம்மளால் அந்த அளவுக்கு ஈக்குவலாக வேலைகளை செய்ய முடியாது. ஹியூமன் கேன் டிசைட், ஹியூமனால் என்ன பண்ண முடியும், டிசைட் பண்ண முடியும். ஓனாக ஹியூமன் ஹேன் டிசைட் அண்ட் டேக் தட் ஓன். அவங்க என்ன ஹியூமனால் என்ன பண்ண முடியும், அவங்க வந்துட்டு அவங்களாம் வந்து டிசைட் பண்ணிக்க முடியும், எந்த ஒரு முடிவுகளையும் எடுக்க முடியும். பட் கம்ப்யூட்டர் கேனாட் டிசைட், கம்ப்யூட்டரில் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, எந்த ஒரு முடிவுகளும் எடுக்க முடியாது. ஸோ ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், I am going to tell another one time uses of computers. Say, you also tell me once again. Say uses of computers. Where and all we use the computers? In school. I am going to writing on the board. Listen children. See, first one, uses of computers. Uses of computers. Uses of computers. First one, schools. First one, schools. Second one, police station. Second one, police station. See, what is this? Uses of computers. See, first one, schools. Police station. Police station. Third one, bank. Third one, banks. Fourth one, office. O-F-F-I-C-E-S. Offices. Fifth one, railway station. What is the spelling for railway station? R-A-I-L. Railway. W-A-Y. Railway station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Railway station. See children, first one, schools. Police station. Banks. Offices. Railway station. Railway station. See, sixth one, airports. Sixth one, airports. See, airports. A-I-R-P-O-R-T-S. Airports. See, sixth one, airports. See, next one, hotels. Seventh one, hotels. H-O-T-E-L-S. Hotels. See children, I am going to tell another one time. Uses of computers. I means where and all we use the computer. Computer நம்ம எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் பயன்படுத்துகிறோம். See, first one, schools. What is the spelling for schools? S-C-H-O-O-L-S. Schools. You also tell the letter one by one. Okay children, what is the spelling for schools? S-C-H-O-O-L-S. Schools. Police station. Police station. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. Tell me once again, what is the spelling for police station? P-O-L-I-C-E. Police station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. Let us go to next one. Banks. What is the spelling for bank? B-A-N-K-S. Banks. Next one. Offices. O-F-F-I-C-E-S. Offices. Tell me once again, children, what is the spelling for offices? You also tell the letter one by one. Okay. O-F-F-I-C-E-S. Offices. Railway station. What is this? A railway station. What is the spelling for railway station? R-A-I-L-W-A-Y. A railway station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. Railway station. Next one. Airports. A-I-R-P-O-R-T-S. Airports. Next one. Hotels. H-O-T-E-L-S. Hotels. See children, what is this? Uses of computers. See, schools, police station, banks, offices, railway station, airports, hotels. So, okay children, let us go to next one. Next one. See, types of computers. Next one, types of computers. See, next one, what is the topic? Types of computers. There are different types of computers are there. See, what is the topic name? Types of computers. See, what is the topic? Types of computers. What is this? Types of computers. Say, tell children what is the topic? Types of computers. Types of computers. What is the spelling for computer? Tell the letter one by one. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Types of computer. Say, there are different kinds of computers are there. Okay. See, first one, desktop. See children, what is this picture? What is this? This one, desktop. What is this? This one, desktop. What is this? This one, laptop. I think you know very well what is this picture in laptop. What is this picture in laptop? See, what is this picture? Palm top. What is this picture? Tablet. See children, what is this? Desktop. What is this? A desktop. See, a desktop computer is a big. It's kept on only a desk. See, what is this children? It's a desktop. What is this? It is a desktop. It is a desktop computer is a big. It kept on a desk. This computer only most of people used. This computer only most of them used. What is this children? Desktop. See the picture very carefully. Okay, what is this picture? What is this picture? Desktop. What is this picture? Desktop. What is this picture? Laptop. What is this picture? Laptop. See, palm top. What is this picture? Tablet. See children. See what is the spelling for desktop? See D E S K T O P. Desktop. Tell me once again, what is the spelling for desktop? D E S K T O P. Desktop. I am going to show the desktop picture children. What is this picture? Desktop. This one I said before the class I said, what is this? Monitor. This one CPU, keyboard, mouse. See what is this? Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. It's called the desktop. What is this? Desktop. See what is this picture? What is this picture? Laptop. What is this picture? Laptop. This one, palm top. What is this picture? Tablet. Okay children, you also tell the spelling for desktop. D E, first one D E S K T O P. Desktop. What is a desktop? A desktop is big. A desktop computer is a big. இந்த டெஸ்க்டாப் வந்து பார்க்குறதுக்கு எப்படிப்பா இருக்குது? அந்த கம்ப்யூட்டர் இருக்குது இல்லையா, மானிட்டர், சிபியூ, மவுஸ், கீபோர்ட்லாம் பார்த்து இல்லைங்களா, அது பார்க்குறதுக்கு எப்படி இருக்குது? அந்த டெஸ்க்டாப் வந்து ரொம்ப பெருசாக இருக்குது இல்லையா, அதனால் டெஸ்க்டாப் கம்ப்யூட்டர் இஸ் எ பிக். இட்ஸ் கெப்ட் ஆன் ஒன்லி டெஸ்க். It's kept on only desk. See, I am going to tell another one time. Desktop computer is a big. So, it kept on desk. Desktop வந்து பெருசா இருக்கனால அதை வந்து நம்ம எங்க வைக்க முடியும்? டேபிள் மேல தான் வைக்க முடியும். See children, this computer only most of them used. This computer most of them used. Most commonly used a computer. Desktop computer is most commonly used a computer. See children, types of computers. Listen children, types of computers. There are different types. The first one, what is this? See the first one. What is this? First one, desktop, laptop, palm top, tablet. See, I'm going to write, already I wrote the spelling, desktop. What is the spelling for desktop? See, D E S K T O P. Desktop. What is a desktop? A desktop computer is a big. A desktop computer is a big. It's kept on a desk. Most commonly used the computer. என்ன சொல்றாங்க? desktop computer வந்து பெருசா இருக்கறனால நம்ம எதுல வைக்க முடியும்? desk, அதாவது டேபிள் மேல தான், டெஸ்க்ல தான் வைக்க முடியும். ஓகே, what is the spelling for desktop? D E S K T O P. Desktop. Tell me once again, what is the spelling for desktop? D E S K T O P. Desktop. Let us go to next one. Laptop. L A P T O P. Laptop. See, what is the spelling for laptop? L A P. Lap. T O P. Top. Laptop. See children, you know very well. What is this one? What is this one? This one, laptop. What is this one? this one laptop. See, what is this one? This one desktop, this one laptop. See, it is the big. It's compared to the laptop is little bit small. See, desktop computer kept on desk. See, laptop kept on our lap. A laptop can be kept on lap. See, because it is smaller than the desktop. See children, I am going to tell another one time. What is this? Is this one desktop. What is this one? This one laptop. See, desktop is big. It's kept on a, it's only kept on a desk. See, it is laptop. It is kept on lap. See, because it is smaller than the desktop. அதாவது டெஸ்க்டாப்பை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது லேப்டாப் எப்படி இருக்குது, கொஞ்சம் சின்னதாக தெரியுது இல்லையா நமக்கு. டெஸ்க்டாப் பெருசாக இருக்குது, இதை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது லேப்டாப் எப்படிப்பா இருக்குது, கொஞ்சம் சைஸ் சின்னதாக தெரியுது இல்லையா. சரி, let us go to next one children. See, next one. It's okay children. Third one, palm top. Third one, palm top. Fourth one, tablet. See, what is this picture? Palm top, tablet. See, what is the spelling for palm top? P-A-L-M-T-O-P. Palm top. See children, fourth one, tablet. T-A-B-L-E-T. Tablet. See children, palm top and tablet. See, palm top. See, what is this? Palm top and tablet. Both this smaller than a laptop. இது ரெண்டுமே இந்த ரெண்டுமே வந்துட்டு இதை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்பொழுது இந்த ரெண்டுமே என்னது கொஞ்சம் சைஸு சின்னதாக இருக்கும். சரிங்களா கண்ணா? See, so they can fit in your hand. Both it can fit in your hand. உங்களோட கையில் வந்து இது என்ன ஆயிரும், நம்ம வந்து கையில் வச்சு யூஸ் பண்ணுற அளவுக்கு தான் இருக்கும். See, we can carry the from one place to another place very easily. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், இதை நம்ம கையில் எடுத்துக்கிட்டு ஒரு பிளேஸ்லேருந்து இன்னொரு பிளேஸ்க்கு போக முடியும். I am going to tell another one time children. See, types of computers. See, types of computers. First one, desktop, laptop, palm top, then tablet. A desktop is a too big. Desktop is a big. It is a desktop computer is a big. இது பார்க்கிறதுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும், பெருசா இருக்கும். Desktop computer is a, see, what is this? What is this? This one, desktop. It is a big, but it kept on a desk. Most of commonly used the computer. It's okay. Next one, laptop. Next one, laptop. Laptop smaller than the desktop. Laptop வந்து desktop விட எப்படி இருக்கும், கொஞ்சம் சின்னதாக இருக்கும். Laptop kept on a lap. நம்மளோட மடியில் வச்சு என்ன பண்ணலாம் லேப்டாப்பை, we can use. It's okay children. Next one, palm top, then tablet. It's both of it small. Compare the laptop, it's smaller. இது ரெண்டுமே லேப்டாப்பை கம்பேர் பண்ணும் பொழுது சின்னதாக இருக்கும் சைஸில். We can, it's both it can fit in your hand. Fit in your hand. We can carry that one place to another place. ஒரு இடத்துல இருந்து நம்ம இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு என்ன பண்ணலாம், ஈஸியாக கையில் எடுத்துகிட்டு போக முடியும். We can carry the one place to another place. So okay children, I am going to tell another one time. This lesson is finished. I am going to tell another one time from beginning to still. Okay, see, what is a computer? A computer is a machine. What is a machine? Machines are man-made thing which makes our work easier. மெஷின்ஸ்லாம் நம்மளோட வேலைகளை என்ன பண்ணும், சுலபமாக ஆக்கிடும். சரிங்களா? நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், யூசஸ் ஆஃப் கம்ப்யூட்டர்ஸ். யூசஸ் ஆஃப் கம்ப்யூட்டர்ஸ். Where and all we use the computers? I said more times. Police station, railway station, airport, schools, bank, hospitals, then hotels, shops. These places we are using the computers for different kinds of peoples to different kinds of work. So next one, we have learned about what is the difference between human and computer. Next topic, types of computers. So okay children, first lesson we finished. Okay, listen this video very carefully. Okay children, thank you.